अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। तो गाइस आज हम खेलने जा रहे हैं नीड फॉर स्पीड हीट। तो बगैर किसी शोर शराबे के इस गेमी प्ले को शुरू करते हैं।
Press the C key for accessibility options. The Speed Hunters Showdown is back as Palm City plays host once again to the state's Talk
to me, Joe. How we doing?
Hanging in there.
Just keep your foot on the floor. What's the tea, Richie?
There's some real speed in this race, Anna.
We knew they were gonna bring it. This is the lead we're going for here. Come on, guys. This is ours. Okay, eyes up. We're heading downtown. Expect trouble. Hey, we've got company on the right.
Coming up on the back. Let's see what they got.
Shit, I think I know this cop.
Aw, cute.
I'm serious. He's bad news.
Which one? Big eye, this one. There's some prime hunting here.
Stop quitting, Anna.
Neither are we.
Yeah? Speak for yourself. I'm out.
What the hell? Richie! Richie! Did he seriously just bail?
Got him in my sights, heading north through the city.
No way you're getting out of this.
Be advised. Sealed off the north exit.
Roadblock ahead of you. Take a right.
Zero one, I'm tracking a Polestar and the accessory. Across the first super indicating digital missile. Keep those cars lit up. I ain't losing.
That's what you think.
We're not shaking this bird.
Leave that to me.
Army deployed to South Exit.
Don't let that stop you.
Let's get off the street.
Good call.
Shit, this cop's still on me. Anna, I'm on the bridge. That cop's trying to...
Solo pienso en victoria. Ahora estamos aquí para esto. Yo nací es que ganarme esa gloria. Yo trae donde eres, haciendo lo que quiere. Por eso mi gente la tengo presente. Saca tu bandera, todo puede ser diferente. La compa dale frente, la calle está caliente. Believe in you, siempre luché por lo que siente.
Oh yeah, no, I checked it out. Oh hey, I'll be with you in a sec. Come on in. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, you're gonna need all those sparks. Yeah, 4. Kinda low? I'll check the wheel. Sounds like a loose bearing. Can't do today.
You know, as important as fighting crime is, and we are committed to that fight, our job is about more than that. It's about connecting with you folks out there, hearing your stories, listening to your concerns. That's how we build a better community. That's how we build a safer future for...
Sorry, it's just a little too much bullshit this early in the day. Look, I hate to do this, but if you're looking for wheels, I got a CID. Cops insist. Out of town, huh? Name's Lucas. How can I help?
Word is cars out of here can compete.
Oh, they can. This for the showdown?
Yeah, I just want to get out there and race.
Look, I'm not gonna lie. The man's been crazy past couple days, so stock's down. But got these ready to go. They're not top of the line, but they're good. Why don't you take a look, see if you're interested? Oh, no. Nobody touches Papi's Camaro. An American classic. Got enough muscle for you? The Beamer. You wanna go? Nice choice.
Can't wait to try her out.
I know some people at the showdown. See about getting you a race. Okay, where to? Well, you got a couple races to choose from. The one downtown is up. So take it easy. Let's just get this car to the start line in one piece.
So all those trophies back there. You a racer?
Nah, that was my old man, Roberto Rivera. Mr. Clean. He built that yellow 67 Camaro with his own two hands. Made himself a champion. He left me the garage.
Looks like he was good.
So everyone says.
Showdown's a big deal around here, huh?
I'm not complaining. It's great for business. And if you race, you could make some serious bank.
I use that about now.
You and everyone else in this town. Hey, Dex. Hey, be gentle with my friend here. They're breaking in a new car.
If it's one of yours, it's half broke already. You joining us?
Nah, man.
I run practice races for beginners if you need to get up to speed.
Yeah, funny guy. Very funny.
You're always welcome.
I'll talk to you after the race. Good luck.
I'll see you there. Come and get me. One last push. Okay, you're competitive. That's the main thing. Oh, looks like the car handles okay. Listen, I got some business in town to take care of. Best thing you can do with all that bank is get yourself a nitrous kit. I'm out of stock, but go pick one up from the part shop, and I'll fit it for you. And word of advice, you want to keep competing in the showdown, you gotta keep building your ride. And that takes bank. You race, with cash, you upgrade. That helps you win bigger, faster races with more and more prize money. That ain't the whole story, but it's the basics. And step one for you is buying that nitrous kit.
Keep that in mind.
You buy a car from me, and the aftercare comes as standard. Doesn't matter how great a driver you are. Everyone needs a good mechanic.
And that's you, huh?
You want to take on Palm City by yourself? Be my guest. Just saying, it's easier when someone's got your back. If you're headed to the part shop, you might as well swing by the old raceway. It's abandoned now, but that oval saw a lot of action back in the day. Still does sometimes, but no one's looking.
How come it closed? I thought this city lived for races.
Hello? Come on, open up.
Hey, while I'm hitting up my contacts, you can get yourself down to the Keys. There's a gas station out that way. I'll meet you there. Oh, and I downloaded an app on your cell phone.
Thanks.
Bing acts like a cop scanner. If you don't use it, it'll come in handy. Trust me.
Hey, it's Dex. Lucas gave me your number. Oh, hi. Look, sometimes I run practice races away from the showdown if you want to come and work on your skills. No pressure, just some fun and some prizes, and you would not believe the stories I have about Lucas.
Sounds good.
Great. I'll give you a call when I got the next one lined up. Later. Yo, just checking in. How's your car?
It beats walking.
Look, I know it's not a world beater, but it's something to build on.
It's good. Seriously. Thanks for cutting me a deal.
Well, maintenance is part of the package. If you have any engine trouble, hear any odd noises, I'll take care of it.
Thanks.
You know...
Been waiting long?
It flew by.
Cool. Let's go.
Where are we going?
There's a race down by the beach. You're not the only new face in town. Figure you want to know how you measure up.
This is how I make a name, right?
You're not getting anywhere without one. You want to spend all that showdown bank on better parts or rack up invites to more races? Then people need to know who you are. And racing at night is the best way to make that happen.
Luke is gonna be there?
You'll have his head stuck on their hood somewhere. Dude lost his nerve years ago.
What the shit, Rivera? Think you can put on a race and I won't hear about it?
That was the plan, Kenny.
Well, I'm here now, and I'm about to give these beginners a little taste of the speed boys.
Everything is really lame, crashing races you got no business being in.
You step out on these roads and you're fair game. You hear that, Greenhorn?
Is he talking to me?
Damn right I'm talking to you. I'm numero uno around here, and don't you forget it.
Did he just say numero uno?
If you do nothing else tonight, beat him, please. Take a ride. Almost there.
Anything else?
Finish the race and we'll talk. This is it. Let's see what you got. I'm gonna try to film you while we're driving.
Hope you get a good shot of my rear end.
Get lost, Kenny. Come on, let's kick this guy's stinking tailpipe.
Out of my way.
I got some dope shots of you in the race. I can't wait to post these. Yo, check it out. You see anything you like?
All of them. Think they'll be up for a race?
Nice try. You got a little way to go before they give you a shot.
Who's they?
The league. They say Luca was almost in and gave it up. Sounds just like him.
On units, we reports of a street race in progress. Suspect last seen driving at high speeds to the west side.
Shit. We should get moving before the cops show up. I'm sending you a bunch of places around the city we can lay low until the heat's off. I'm gonna head to one in Eden Shores and edit your highlights.
Too bad. Just having fun.
You can keep racing if you want. It's your choice. Just remember, if you're gonna get in trouble, don't get caught. Kinda ruins the whole name-making thing.
Got a driver on the run. Let's get him.
Let's hear your spotting skill. We'll make a model of the chip.
They're driving a BMW M3.
Chase mode activated. Feel free to join the party.
Hey, just read on the scanner there's a pursuit in progress. That's not...
B, chat later.
Here we got it.
You apprehended the subject?
We're still trying to locate him. Looks like the others gave up on us, so might send you back up.
I've checked and I can't find anyone who can be bothered to help you if you're on your own.
Shit, they managed to slip out of view.
Check everywhere.
How's it going out there? Don't leave me hanging too long.
Screw it, let him go. Don't be surprised if you see that on your social media feed in the morning.
Copy control. So much for putting this one in.
Sugar spice, yeah. For the bros, yeah. I do.
First night out and you're pushing it? I'm liking your style, rookie.
Back up and running. Clip on the sirens and get after them.
Now you should really think about getting off the street. Remember I pinged you those addresses? Find one.
Subject stopped. Come on, let's get him. This was the shit, damn it.
That's not what I want to hear.
Hey, you're not public enemy number one yet. You have better luck losing these standard patrol cars on street roads.
Anybody else got eyes on the subject? I can't see him. You're all mine. Hey, they're right here. I'm about to bust him so bad.
You got any news for me?
Vibes from the over. Just laid eyes on our target again. Subject's primed for the takedown.
Any updates?
I'll update when I got something to do. Send some backup. We need to maintain a strong presence on the streets.
That's bad news. We don't have extra units to dispatch.
I've lost eyes on the subject somehow.
Suspect was last seen in the area. Start searching.
Sounds like... If you lost them, you know where to meet me when you're ready.
Doesn't matter where you hide, I'll find you. Sweet, found the subject. No coach, move the line of sight.
How about that driver found? No excuses.
How's it going out there? Don't leave me hanging too long.
Chasing our tails here. Pursuit's over.
Just want to make it clear that I'm not quitting. This one is like guys. What, recognizing the kid? They wrong about that.
Just picked up the chase from before. Now let's end it the correct way.
Suspect's no longer in sight, Control.
I've got you now, shitbird.
Suspect's car is in sight. Almost done, Control.
What's the status?
Still a work in progress. I'm taking him out however I can. I knew the others weren't as good as me. Come on. Can you send someone for me, please?
We don't have spare units, so get creative and deal with it.
I've lost visual on the subject vehicle.
Don't do anything stupid.
Control, I've got the suspect in view. The driver's managed to break line of sight. Found that driver who got away. They're mine.
All units, we've located the previous suspect and the pursuit.
got plenty more ahead of you.
It's been up 5 minutes, and we already got hundreds of views.
Oh, we?
Look who I met.
Oh, hey. My sister giving you the grand tour, huh? Something like that. You know, just so you know, if racing means ending up in the back of a cop car, she is the perfect guy.
Remind me again which one of us has actually been locked up?
Well, I learned my lesson.
Only thing you learned?
Oh, sorry about the runaround. Let's get that Nas hooked up. All fitted. Now you got the edge whenever you need it.
If I were you, I would hit the streets at night. Remember, you're only spending bank on that ride if you've got a name. getting there alone.
What I hear, neither are you.
That's what I wanted to talk about. I'm thinking we can help each other. Form a crew. Unless you got any better offers on the table.
Plenty, actually.
Bullshit. Come on. What do you say?
I say you're wrong. Fun.
Alright. Okay, if we're gonna climb the ladder to the league, we gotta get ourselves a race against another crew. Remember Kenny?
That redneck from my first night here?
His crew, the Speed Boys, are ripe for taking down. I'll pull whatever streaks I can, but you gotta make yourself worth racing. Earn an invitation. Then we can start work.
Dex, hey, I'll set up one of those practice races if you're interested.
Sure. Send me the details.
I'll do that right now, and hope to see you downtown.
Later.
Don't need no punchline. I like the sunshine, so I said fuck
गाइस आज की इस वीडियो में इतना ही। आई होप आपको ये गेमिंग प्ले अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर अच्छा लगा है तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट गेमिंग प्ले में। खुदा हाफ़िज़।